This is going to be a video product review of the Mestool 58-AP100 per box sanding discs. Let me get the box open so I can show you what's in here. So I just did a video on probably the competitor because I bought this and I bought another box of sanding discs. More than I need, believe me. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. This comes in box of 100. This package is 60 grit, 80 grit, 120 grit, 150 grit, and 220 grit. I don't even need this. I have so many. I really don't need this. I don't know why I bought it. $17. I bought it on sale during the Amazon Prime. So let me talk about this a little bit. It is 100 per box, durable aluminum oxide grain, premium resin over resin bonded, fits DeWalt, Ryobi, special anti-clog coating, extends performance. Why did I buy this thing? I built some, made some wood projects last year and just wiped out my wrist and my hand. You know, all that sanding and going like this and going like this and rubbing and going in circles and going on the edges with your fingers, and my hand and my wrist were killing me. And I thought, what in the world are you doing? If you keep doing this, you're not going to be able to use your hands. They're going to hurt. All the muscles. So I went out and I bought an Orbital sander, and it just arrived, and I bought this paper, I bought this box, and I bought the other box. I don't know. It's made by Mestool. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. I can't really say how great it is. I haven't used it. 20 pieces of 60 grit, 20 pieces of 80 grit, 20 pieces of 120 grit, 20 pieces of 150 grit, 20 pieces of 220 grit, anti-clogging. What else does it say? It goes on your Orbital sanders. And I don't know what else to say. You know, I've never used this stuff before. All I can tell you is if you are doing projects, go buy an Orbital sander and buy these discs and save your hand and save your wrist, and don't be a fool. Rating on this thing, okay, so 79%. That's really good on YouTube. What am I saying? That's really good on Amazon. 79 rating. It's a good product because it's going to save your hand. I can't talk about what's it going to do. Is it going to... It's 5 inches. It's got 8 holes like everything else. Well, everything else doesn't have 8 holes, but you know what I'm talking about. Universal compatibility, fits standard Orbital, DeWalt, Bosch, Black & Decker, Makita, Porter cable, high quality aluminum oxide, back of napping, easy for grit removal and replacement. Took a couple days to get here. What else? Does the hook and loop mean that it will work on the Ryobi? I have a Ryobi. It's a hook and loop. His question was just worded badly. Self-adhesive equals hook and loop in this case, unless of course someone ripped. Okay, I don't know what this guy's talking about. Where's the product made? California, USA. It is made by Mestool, and click on the affiliate link if you want to. If you don't, that's up to you. The only reason I'm putting this out here is because I want people to realize, go out and buy the power tools you need. Be careful with the saws and all the other stuff. Put an Orbital sander, get yourself a good mass so you don't breathe up all the gunk that's coming out of these things. And do your sanding with a power tool if you can. If it's something really fine, then you don't want to do that. But get the power tool, get the sanding discs, save your hands, save your muscles, save your fingers, save your wrists, and again, just get a good mask so that you don't have to breathe up the microfine particles that are in the air. And really, this is the way to go. Made by Mestool. It's the 58-AP. Sandpaper 20 grit for each of these things. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching.